Hey guys, so today I'm in Rivertown, one of my favorite towns because I live here, and I want to show you my favorite new neighborhood here. This neighborhood has the estate size lots. It's called the Springs, 75 feet. And the house I'm about to show you is actually ready right now. One of my favorite, most popular models. I've sold quite a few of these, and this one is called the Opal. And I'm going to take you inside and you're going to be blown away. Right now they've done a huge price reduction, $63,000. But before I go there, I'm Gail DeMarco, and if you have not been to my channel, well, welcome. You know, I don't know how you got here, but no, I really do appreciate you if you subscribe to my channel. Would love to bring you some really valuable content. If there's anything you want to know about St. Johns County, Rivertown, Nocatee, Oxford Estates, anything, just let me know, and if I don't know, I'll find out. So my phone number is 904-640-8000. I also have an incredible program going on right now. It's called the Fly, Drive, and Buy program. So if you end up buying with me, I'll reimburse you up to $2,500 in traveling expenses. So that could be a hotel, that could be Uber, it could be dinner, it could be, you know, airfare, whatever that is. Just send it my way and I will give it to you at close of escrow. But back to this house, the Opal, okay? It's the premier series over here in Rivertown. That means you have 10-foot ceilings, you have gourmet chef kitchens, you will see, maybe not gourmet appliances, come on, they don't do that, but you can always sell them like most of my clients do and upgrade them yourself, and then you can save quite a bit of money. But in any case, this particular one's ready right now. The price is just been reduced to $757,000. It was reduced $63,000. It was originally $819,000, and it is a 2,700 square foot home, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, really open floor plan with a flex room. And the flex room is bigger than one of the bedrooms. So let's go take a look. And this address is 523 Sir Barton Drive at the Springs. And like I said, if you have any questions, and you know, a lot of people go, Gail, we were there, we put your name down because we know we're not going to buy new construction without you, but we don't want to bother you. Bother me. It's Sunday. I like my job. I don't mind helping you. This is why I'm doing these videos, aggravating my husband. Trust me, I want you to call me. So let's go take a look. I always like to show the street because rather than just showing the house. So the park is right behind this house. There's a really cute little park. Then that's this house right across the street from you. And the cool thing about the Springs also is they all have pavers for driveways, 3-car garage. Now I do like this lot. Wait until you see the back. Like seriously, wait until you see the back. So this looks like it's going to be like a little walking area or a little park area. So you're not going to have a house right next to you. You have all this space. Again, it's called the Opal model, 2,709 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a flex room. And right now this house does come with incentives. So that means, what does that actually mean? Well, it means when we go to the table and we do an offer, they may buy down your points if you're not cash. They may, well, let's take a look also. This is called the Craftsman style, just so you can get a really good idea. They may pay all your closing costs. This is the first time where I've had them say no to a couple because, you know, they've had these, they call them bleeder prices, where they're really low prices. And then some of my clients that have already purchased a home or gotten to contract are pissed off because they're like, why is that so much cheaper? Well, it's called a leader price. They don't get the $30,000, $40,000 incentives. You know, it just depends. It's new construction. So what's going to happen? It's going to change. Oh, let me just stand right here. So look, we have tray ceilings. What my husband did in my house, he took the whole hallway with the tray ceilings and he put beautiful, like special kind of shiplap wood, and it looks incredible. And then we hung a really nice Beautiful chandelier made in China. Took them 2 days to assemble, but it looks good. So let's look at the floors real close. So this is an it's an LVP. Okay, so to the right, we have tile all the way up to the ceiling. We have got a nice bathtub. And I like 2 windows. That's kind of nice. I bet you even on this cloudy day, it has decent natural light. Okay, so we come in here, and here is your 3-car garage with a water loop. A water loop means you're gonna wanna put that's a water loop. You're gonna wanna put a water softener, okay? My husband's cheap, so we only got the $1,200 model, but most of them are around $3,000. So look at this. Well, before I do that, I'm gonna shut this door. Yikes. So this is the office. I mean, it's really extended out. And you could make this into a bedroom if you wanted. It's deep enough, you could add a closet right here. And you can make it a 4th bedroom without a problem. That's your view. I mean, I'm standing against the window to hopefully give you an idea. Okay, laundry room. And they'll be putting in at least this plumber sink. I'm guessing they'll put it in. If not, just ask me. My husband's a general contractor, I could have him do it. Oh, I love a coat closet. For the amount of money I spent on my house, I don't have a coat closet. My coat closet is when people come over, they throw it on my bed. So look at this, huge pocket door. Wow, I'm gonna do a close-up right here. Okay, so this is your family room. And what I love about this Opal model is it has a little butler. This is really nice. This would be, that would be my Olympia kitchen or my bar. You know what I would do? I'd probably rip out that whole thing and make that a bar. The bar is the most popular place in my house. So you've got that. Nice, great sized pantry. So they are Whirlpool appliances, although it does look like it's an upgraded Whirlpool. These aren't the ones I've been seeing. Gas stove. Here's a close-up of the counter. It's a quartz counter. So you got your lights. Looks like you have a double oven right here. So if you're one of those moms that likes to show off and do a lot of baking for the classrooms, you got that. So this obviously could fit a huge, huge dining room table. You know, probably seat 12 people in here if you wanted to. It's incredible. Okay, so I'm walking. I love this. All right, we'll do that. We'll save that for last because I get excited. Okay, so we came in, we have the kitchen, we have the back, huge quadruple pocket door, and here's your second guest bedroom. This one has a shower. Okay, and it has one sink. And it has nice quality carpet. Your typical closet. Love the high ceilings. Okay, now let's go into the master. So the master has a tray ceiling. And if you ever want me to text you or email you a picture of my room is exactly like this, my room where I live. And I can show you, we put this really cool fan in, and we put some beautiful like shiplap on the ceiling with a nice warm wood texture. And people walk into my room to put their coats down, since I don't have a coat closet, and go, wow, that is so cool. So I'm showing you like the basic. There's so much you can do here for so little money compared to what we used to pay for construction in California. Oh my gosh. Well, I could put all 6 grandkids in here. That's a double shower head. This is a huge shower. So you have your toilet room, your closet. You definitely want to get a closet system, and I could give you recommendations. I actually have a vendor book I can send you. I have everybody that you could possibly think of, including hair and nails, doctors, restaurants. Let's face it, that's the hardest thing when you move, is finding people. Okay, I like the windows in there. So you're going to probably, I don't know where, so if you were to put your bed here, this would be the view. So you'd wake up and you'd see that. Now if you put your bed here, you'd be putting the bed here because you have the 2 little windows. So that's your view out of your bedroom. And keep in mind, it is super cloudy. It was raining today, it was raining last night. So I have my winter coat on. Okay, so here I would highly recommend that I negotiate a screen patio for you. And see this beautiful little thing here? We can stub in, you could do a nice barbecue there, although that really doesn't make sense because you've got that window there. I'd probably put my barbecue on that side. Or I would absolutely, well, you know what? You may want to put in a pool. So let's walk out to the lot. I'll walk out and show you. Yeah, this is really cool because you have no neighbor. Look, no neighbor here. And then here, let's think about this. You're out here, you're arguing with your kids and hoping the neighbors aren't hearing you, or your wife or husband. Come on, it's gonna happen. And look, completely private, because the way their house is positioned. So I'm gonna walk out here. Your property line, can you see that little, well, you can't. I'll walk over there. There was like so many gorgeous birds when I got here. So here's your property line. You're gonna look for this. You're also gonna, this is called gray water. That's how they water everything. So your water bill isn't through the hill. Okay. So everything past this little thing, HOA takes care of. You don't take care of any of this. Where this pine tree is, by the way, I would take that down. I took mine down. They're messy. I don't know how they get in your gutters, but they do. And so I'm gonna stand right here. This is the back of the house. So if you're looking for a single story, 3-bedroom, could be a 4th bedroom with an office. And like I said, they just reduced this $63,000. It's $757,000 right now. And you never know. I could probably do a little better for you. I don't know. On the lower price ones, there's, oh my gosh, look at the room between these houses. This is so good. It's usually 10 feet. So if you want privacy and you're looking for a single story, you want a price point that makes sense. And this is the most incredible neighborhood with these 75-foot lots. And you know what I like about this pond? It's like natural, right? We have like real growth in there. They didn't just dig it. You know what that means? You're gonna have maybe some pink bills, those beautiful birds. You get a lot more birds. It looks like they did dig it a little bit deeper, but this is a really beautiful natural pond. Okay, so we got to take a look at it. I've been here before when they were you know, when it was just all torn up, and it is ready to move in. So like I said, those QMIs, this was already reduced once. It was 819. It was even higher before that, but who cares? Well, all we care about is what is it now? Right now, 757. We're at 2,700 square feet, 3-bedroom with a flex room. And if you want any information on this or any other home here in St. Johns County, please give me a call. But I truly believe I have some clients, and I'm happy to put you in touch with them, that moved to the Springs. They absolutely love it. It's going to be one of those neighborhoods where people are like, why didn't I jump in then? And I go through that all the time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget my Fly, Drive, and Buy program. I'll reimburse you up to $2,500 for traveling expenses if you use me to close your home. So again, 904-640-8000. Happy to have a Zoom call with you just so we can have a discovery call. Talk to you soon. Thank you.